Hello everyone. Just a second. Good morning, guys. Okay, so today we have a very important class. Okay, guys, this is on recent updates, which is like really important. Okay, we'll try to see all the recent updates of PSM. All right, am I audible, everyone? सुनाई दे रहा है ना सबको? Right, audible, visible. All right, so I'll just transfer the PDF. Happy Sunday, happy weekend, everybody. Hope you are enjoying this process with just a few months, with just a few days to go now. So just enjoy the process, ठीक है? Tension मत लो. Process enjoy करो. These are the times we all remember. Okay. ठीक है, PDF is getting transferred. Just a second. All right. So basically today, I will. There are not many MCQs for us to solve, but there are a lot of things that we have to look at. Okay. If you're able to do it today, well and good. If not, if you're left with something, then we will also try to cover it in the subsequent coming week. All right. But we are not going to leave anything behind. Okay. All right. So, all those who don't know me, I am Dr. Neha, your mentor and guide for PSM on Unacademy platform. Okay, you can follow me on my various group links, channels, Telegram, Instagram, wherever you feel comfortable. Everybody. Okay, we've just started. There are a lot of batches. Which are starting on Unacademy app, so you can enroll in them. We are starting a next 2022 batch from March August evening batch hai. You can use my code PSM10 also to get a 10% off in any of your subscriptions which you plan to take on Unacademy platform. Okay. Also, we have an operation batch course for INI-CT which we've just started on 15th of March. So if you want, you can take subscription and become part of this batch course as well, guys. Okay, we are daily having series from 9 to 10 p.m. 9 to 8 to 9 p.m. basically 9:30 p.m. Okay, some of the daily quizzes we are having. So if you want, you can become a part of this. Okay. Analyze yourself, whatever GTs and tests you're attending. The important point, guys, is to analyze yourself. If you're analyzing, well and good. So every day we'll be going live at 10 a.m. with image-based revision capsule. So do join me tomorrow also at 10 a.m. And today we have a live quiz at 3 p.m. everybody. Okay, not at 3:30. It's live quiz which is going to be held at 3 p.m. guys today. Is that okay, everyone? All right, so do join in. It is part 4 of the live quiz today. So you will get to see, and today is Sunday treat, so you will get to see a lot of MCQs and you can accordingly judge yourself and improve upon your weaker points. So aaj ka jo, so should we start, everybody? Now I am going to give you few MCQs only, but try to focus on what has come new, what has not, like what are the changes that have been made. I have tried to give you the latest value of all the mortality and all these indicators, also some of the changes in the program, some of the recent changes that have happened. Okay, chalo, so let us start. All right, so before I go, you all know that Mission Indradhanush का कौन सा scheme आया है right now is, what was it earlier? It was 1.2 earlier, it was 2.2 earlier. Yes, very good, Nayan. Now it has come what? Mission Indradhanush 3.2. ठीक है, so पहले question answer कर दो, then we will see what all changes. I will try to show you the images also where and if required. ठीक है, मैं images भी आपको साथ ही साथ दिखाने की कोशिश करूंगी आज. ठीक है, guys, so that you don't have any confusion left. So mark this first, then we'll go on to discuss the first part, which is Mission Indradhanush 3.0. We will also be seeing the rabies guideline. We will also be seeing a lot of other schemes that have come. Okay, all right, okay, this was just a question. Don't worry about the question right now. No, we won't say 7. With increase in the timing of Mission Indradhanush, everybody, the diseases have also increased that are covered in Mission Indradhanush. All right, so should we start with the discussion of the first thing, Mission Indradhanush? Sabse pehle I'll show you all the image and everything. Now we have the scheme 3.0. All right, to ensure reaching the unreached. When was this started? from February 2021 to March 2021 was the launch date. All right. So this is the first MCQ. Now we have mission 3.0 and the next MCQ is the date. All right. And IMI 3.0 portal has been designed to manage the data, all these things. Important kya hai isme? We have to achieve an immunization coverage of 90%. Clear, guys? Okay. These are the points that have to be noted under mission 3.0. Now, what are the changes that have come? Dekho. सबसे पहले there are 12 diseases. Now 3.0 you will remember 2021 there are 12 diseases under this program. 10 जो कि nationally है, that means throughout India, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, polio, TB, rotavirus, ठीक है, RV is rotavirus, ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या है, hepatitis B, hemoinfluenza B. All right, is it clear? And 2 we've added subnationally. Subnationally matlab where required, JE and pneumococcal vaccine. Clear, everybody? This is the first thing that you have to remember from mission 2.0. All right. So altogether there are diseases 12. Shipra 12 diseases hai, 10 जो कि throughout the world, throughout India है, ठीक है, and 2 are subnationally. No Shipra 12 देखो 1 ठीक है. All right, and 10 nationally and 2 subnationally. JE Jaydev is Japanese encephalitis. All right, and pneumococcal, this thing is pneumococcal vaccine is PCV. All right, now is it clear? Can we go to the next few images that have to be seen? All right, ठीक है, क्या बोल रहे हो? नहीं बेटा, देखो diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, polio, TB, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yes, 9 and 10. We've missed 1, 2 more, I think. 12 diseases, 10 nationally, 1, 2, 3, and 2 subnational. Just let me think. Yes, that's what I was thinking. We've missed measles and rubella over here. All right, good. Okay, so that means we've had 10 and 2. Now is it clear, everybody? Thumbs up. Okay, maybe I skipped. Now look over here. What are the initiatives that have been taken under this mission 2.0? I will show you the image also. EVIN, very important, guys. It is Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network. Anmol, ANM Online, and a third thing which is SafeVac, Surveillance and Action for Events Following Vaccination. All these are IT initiatives under our mission 3.0. Samajh rahe ho? Do you want to see what is EVIN, guys? EVIN, I'll show you. Look, this is EVIN. EVIN क्या होता है? Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network, which is a network to strengthen, it is online, okay, strengthening immunization supply chain systems in India by providing real-time information on vaccine stocks and flows and storage temperature across all cold chain points. Okay, yes, there has not been any change in diseases, and it's the same thing. Okay, it's not like we've introduced some new vaccine for some new disease. Is it clear, Dr. Sen? Did you understand? Okay, next point. EVIN, please remember, expected here this time, Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network. That means an online portal only where everything, real-time information it is providing us on vaccine stocks and flows and storage temperature across all cold chain points. Clear? Next इसमें क्या है? EVIN is a mobile and web-based application launched to effectively manage vaccine logistics. So this is an MCQ. That why was EVIN launched? To manage vaccine logistics. Contraceptives nahi, medicines nahi, EVIN is vaccine logistics. Will you remember this? This could come as an MCQ. ठीक है? EVIN क्यों आया था? To manage vaccine logistics. See, route planning, vaccine requirements, stock inventory and stock reallocation. फिर एक होता Anmol. This is a very important initiative, guys. Now, have you heard of this or not? Auxiliary Nurse Midwife Online. Have you heard about this? Anmol acts as a job aid to the ANMs by providing them with readily available information, all right, such as due list, dashboard, and guidance based on data entered, videos, audios on subjects like high risk pregnancy. That means it's basically a tablet for the ANMs. Are you understanding? Anmol, ANM online एक tablet है for the ANMs. जैसे we use, they are also given it, where they will have all the data regarding, immunization, family planning, एंटीनेटल सर्विसेज, सब कुछ मिलेगा इस ANM ऑनलाइन में. क्लियर एवरीबडी? रियल टाइम डेटा एंट्री एंड ANM, yes, tab for ANM. When she goes house to house collecting data, she doesn't have to fill in a paper or something. ऐसे लिए नाम डाले ठक 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 ठक. She is also doing it on a tab. All right. So this improves the quality of data, readily available training contents. Internet connectivity is not constraint, is not a constraint, that's maintained. Are you clear? This for immunization update also she is using this Anmol tab. Clear everyone? Okay. And in this, the third one, this is this safe vac. Guys, if anybody asks you what is safe vac, जैसे e-win क्या था? For vaccine logistics. ठीक है? Safe vac क्या है? For surveillance and action for events following vaccination. Anything that happens is immediately uploaded on the safe vac. Clear? These are the three things that you need to remember. Also, we will be categorizing the districts according to composite scores based on NFHS 5 and 5 and planning activities. Matlab, we are classifying the districts as low, medium and high risk for immunization coverage. Are you understanding? I'll be telling you about NFHS 5 also today. क्या क्या हमने कर लिया है, what are the details, we are collecting all those things. ठीक है? Priority areas under Mission 3.0 is left out and dropouts, vulnerable group, weak coverage areas, migrant population, and the sessions that were missed during COVID-19 lockdown. Did you all understand this Mission 3.0? Do you want me to repeat it, everybody? Mission 3.0 once. Mission 3.0 has been launched in February March 2021. Immunization coverage, we are still aiming at 90% only. But if somebody asks you, measles, rubella vaccination campaign में immunization coverage कितना है? Measles, rubella vaccination campaign में how much do we want to achieve the immunization coverage? There it is 95%. But for all general for immunization coverage, we are aiming at 90%. 12 diseases है that we've already discussed. ठीक है? Next, this is very important, EVIN, Anmol and SafeVac. ठीक है? EVIN is Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network for online vaccine stores. Anmol is ANM को सारा data के लिए, and SafeVac is adverse event following immunization. Clear? ठीक है? So these are the things, plus these are our priority groups. Okay? Now, a new vaccine has been made but is still not introduced into our program. Anybody knows what it is? We've discussed that in vaccine class in the previous sessions also. क्या तुम बता सकते हो? Pneumosil. Very good, Dr. TP. So let's have a look at the second update. This is the second update in immunization, a Pneumosil vaccine. All right. Everything is going to remain the same. ठीक है? It is a conjugate vaccine. It is 0.5 ml one dose. Everything will be the same. But what is the importance of Pneumosil vaccine, guys? क्यों हमारे लिए special है? Why is it special? Because it is being made in India by our very own Serum Institute India, all right, which is in Pune. What other vaccine has Serum Institute India made? We'll be having an update. I'll be last में, सबसे last में COVID भी मैं आपको बता दूंगी updates. What is the vaccine that Serum Institute India has made? Very good, Covishield vaccine. ठीक है? So everything regarding this vaccine will be the same. This was announced on December 8, 2020. Okay, world's most affordable pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. This is going to provide protection against 10 variants. The one that is right now being used in your program is which one? जो हम Pfizer से खरीदते हैं. All right, we buy from Pfizer. It is very expensive. You know, even this thing costs the country almost 3,500 rupees. All right, so can you tell me the vaccine, the conjugate vaccine, which is currently being used in India, the one which we are buying from Pfizer? Anyone? क्या नाम है उसका? Come on. Which is the conjugate vaccine? Is it PCV13 or is it PPV23? Quickly, is it PCV13 that we are using? Very good, Sindhu, Shipra. PCV13 का दूसरा नाम क्या है? Which is being used in our NIS. What is the other name for this pneumococcal? Prevnar. ये नहीं भूलना है. Okay, so what is the difference between Prevnar and Pneumosil? Prevnar is effective against 13 variants. Okay, Pneumosil is effective against 10 variants of pneumococcus bacteria. Clear? This point yaad rakhna. But SII, which is world's largest vaccine maker, has priced PCV branded as $3 per dose, and for the public market, that means government को $3 per dose में मिलेगा, and private market में $10 मिलेगा. This you need not be bothered. ठीक है? Like we are giving conjugate vaccines, when do we give pneumococcal vaccine? कब पड़ता है? I will repeat it, Snigdha. When do you give the pneumococcal vaccine? Are you sure, Nair? Do you give at 10 weeks? Very good, Sindhu. See, now everybody look at me. सबसे पहला point, we are having a pneumococcal conjugate vaccine under our NIS by the name of Prevnar. All right, PCV13. But this is not a vaccine which is made in India. It is brought from Pfizer. एक dose, guys, पड़ता है 3,500 rupees. It's one of the most costly vaccines in our NIS. Are you understanding? Yes, pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. But now Serum Institute India has made a vaccine which is Pneumosil, guys. Okay, Pneumosil is the cost-effective vaccine which it will be giving to the government at $3 per dose. Government तो free ही लगाएगी, ठीक है, but वो गवर्नमेंट उससे खरीदेगी at a very cheaper price. Are you clear, everybody? The dose, everything will remain the same. 6 weeks, 14 weeks, and a booster at 9 completed months. Now clear, guys? Now can I proceed? Thumbs up. Snigdha, did you understand, beta? सबको समझ आ गया? It's not yet been started, but this is the one vaccine that we are trying to start in our national immunization schedule. We will replace Prevnar, which is PCV13, with Pneumosil vaccine. ठीक है? These were the things about immunization. Happy? 3.0 and one of the vaccines. ठीक है? All the initiatives, EWIN, SafeVac, Anmol. Remember them. ठीक है? All right. All right, less than 2 years may we contradict PPV23. Pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccine is prevented. All right, ऐसे नोट, ठीक है. Now see, there is one सबसे latest. अभी कौन सा month चल रहा है? Which month is going on right now? Everyone, you all know. Anybody has any more questions? Put in the question sections. What is the month right now? March. So the latest initiative which has come in the month of March for PSM is this one. Can you see this? By Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. और एक तो MTP bill pass हो गया है. That also I will tell you. अभी टाइम है हमारे पास. प्रधानमंत्री स्वास्थ्य सुरक्षा निधि. Will you remember this? This is one of the latest. This has come in March only, guys. March 2021. Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Nidhi, committed towards enhancing access to universal and affordable healthcare through availability of additional resources. So basically focusing on universal health coverage only. It's one of the things to promote yet again universal health coverage. Okay, we'll see that, Shikil. It is to access, you पहले पढ़ लो एक बार अच्छे से, enhancing access to universal and affordable health care. ठीक है, कैसे हो रहा है? See, the Union Cabinet has approved the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Nidhi on March 10, 2021 as a single non-lapsable reserve fund. This fund will never lapse. Okay, there will always always be money in this fund, and this money will be given for, you will say what all. This has been approved for the share of health from proceeds of health and education cess, which is levied under section 136B of Finance Act. Itna worry mat karao, we have a health and education cess pool. Pool matlab paise ka एक pool है, all right, where money is given to health and education sector. Are you understanding? So for universal health coverage, this is a non-lapsable reserve fund. Money will be given to National Health Mission to promote the schemes of National Health Mission, Ayushman Bharat, okay, and for emergency and disaster preparedness and for responses in cases of health emergencies. Clear everybody? Now did you understand this point, guys? This is Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Nidhi. Okay, this is promoted towards universal health coverage. Okay, it's a fund which is being released. Okay, it's a non-lapsable fund which will be given to promote programs like Ayushman Bharat, okay, National Health Mission, emergency preparedness and disaster management. Am I clear now? The name, please remember, latest है, ये आ सकती है आपके एग्जाम में, प्रधानमंत्री स्वास्थ्य सुरक्षा निधि. Not to all the other schemes but including NHM, ठीक है, जिसमें particularly we'll be talking about Ayushman Bharat and other emergency and disasters and all that. Non-lapsable means the fund will never get over in this pool. All right, there will be constant flow of money. Clear everyone? Can we go to the next point? Can we go to the next one? Okay, now there has been certain changes which have come in our nutrition guidelines. ठीक है, ठीक है. तो एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टेक होम मैसेज सो फार इज प्रधानमंत्री स्वास्थ्य सुरक्षा निधि. You can remember from the name of a person, Nidhi. If you have a friend like that or somebody, your relative, your cousin, याद कर लो, निधि के नाम से एक प्रोग्राम भी आ गया. ठीक है. Now all are true for reference mail except one of the highly expected questions this time, जो हो सकता है आपको आ जाए एग्जाम में. ठीक है. All right. So what is it? All are true बोल रही हूं मैं, all are true guys, except which one is not true? Done? Guys, today you will have your quiz at live quiz at 3 p.m. So do join in. Today Sunday treat hai. So accordingly we will see the questions. ठीक है? All right. So let us see how many of you have got it correct. 24% have only got this correct. That means you're not aware of this. So let us have a look at this. This is the new guideline. बहुत 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 जरूरी है for NEET PG, FMG, any student on the platform. Okay, age now is 19 to 13 years for man and woman. Weight is 65 kg reference for man. Woman के लिए कितना है? 55 kg. And what is the BMI over here? Can you see this, everybody? 18.5 to 22.9. Many of you ask about the height. Height of males कितना है? 5 feet 8 inches, 177 centimeters. They can give you 5 feet 8 inches. Remember करना is easy. Usually the height of men is around 8 and 5 feet 8 9 होता है ना? So 5 feet 8 inches, which is 177 centimeters. And female के लिए mostly you will see females in 5 feet 3 inches, which is 162 centimeters. Clear? Thumbs up, everybody. This is one of the most important slides for the day. Reference man and reference woman. All right. Other than that, the change which is there is this one: new energy guidelines. Now for sedentary, moderate and heavy worker male, everybody, देखो ये कितना है? You cannot learn exactly, so you can learn this as 2100. Okay, you can learn this as 2700. You can learn this as 3500. Now, very unique thing, whatever is required by a sedentary and moderate worker male, okay, the same is required by a sedentary and by a moderate and heavy worker female. Do you see this, everybody? Almost same. So you don't have to like rag your brains around it to remember it. You just have to know 2100 and 2700. ठीक है, heavy worker में 3500 हो गया, and whatever is required by a sedentary and moderate worker man is the same which is required by a moderate and heavy worker woman. क्लियर? एंड पहले वुमेन में सेडेंटरी वर्कर फीमेल में कितना होता था गाइस? एनीबडी? व्हाट वाज इट? 1900. डोंट वरी अबाउट द ओल्ड वंस नाउ, ओके? अननेसेसरीली यू विल बी प्रेशराइजिंग योर ब्रेन्स, बट जस्ट टू रिमेंबर हियर, यहाँ पे देख लो, इट वाज 1900, नाउ इट्स 1660, और यू कैन ऑल्सो से इट इज 1700, 1660 or 1700. Clear? But very important, there has been no change in the additional requirement of pregnancy or lactation. That remains the same. Plus 350 pregnancy, lactation में plus 600, and for the next 7 to 12 months कितना है everybody? Plus 520. Is it clear? Guys, will you remember this point? ठीक है, ये वाला reference man, woman, I will be sharing this also, don't worry. All right, and your guidelines here, no change for this pregnancy lactation nair, pehle bhi itna hi tha, it was same before, now also it's the same. Okay, so this is the energy requirement that you have to know. Sedentary and moderate 2100, 2700, 3500. The same energy of sedentary and moderate is required for moderate and heavy worker female. Clear? And sedentary में 1660. So ये plus 350 you are going to add to what? Plus is added to what? Sedentary, moderate or heavy. Plus is added to what, guys? Energy requirement for a sedentary worker, moderate or heavy worker, guys. Very good. Plus is added to the energy requirement for a sedentary worker. ये मत भूलना, ठीक है? So these are some of the nutritional guidelines also which is important. Now please remember one thing. ये देखो, this is an important slide. इसको हम golden points बोलते हैं. All right, reference height जो we have taken, that is for 95th percentile. This can come. All right, okay. All right, so here this is very important. Age has changed, weight has changed. ऐसे, ठीक है? Normal BMI is this. Reference body weight male and female is this. Pregnancy में they have given in NIN plus 10. जैसे हम लोग पहले बोलते थे ना, average 9 to 11 kgs. Now it is plus 10. Protein requirement per day remains the same, 0.83 gram per kg per day. Nobody will mark 1 gram per kg per day. Are you clear? And protein requirement is 0.83 gram per kg per day. Visible fat intake in males 25, 30, 40 gram per day. This is according to sedentary, moderate and heavy, and female में 20, 25 and 30. Fat उतना नहीं पूछेंगे आपसे, but this one you must remember this particular slides. All right, okay, can we see some of the other updates now, guys? There is one thing I wanted to show. I have made this thing for non-pregnant female, for a pregnant female, as well as for lactation. We will go through this at the end, everybody. Okay, so many numbers, if we see together, we might get confused. So let's keep this for the end. Okay, what is the, for females we have to know exactly. So मैंने आपके लिए ये slide बनाया, we can leave it towards the end. Now tell me, what is the current global hunger index ranking of India? One of the most important questions expected. What is the current global hunger index ranking of India? 84, 74, 94, 104. Global hunger index ranking कितना इंडिया का? Some of the important rankings you must know. Okay, so I'm stopping the poll. Not many have got it correct, only 28%. All right, ending the poll. Now please have a look at this. Can you see this, everybody? This is one of the expected questions. Global hunger index. India has ranked 94 against the 107 nations. Are you understanding? This is not an Indian hunger index. This is a hunger index developed by United Nations, where hunger refers to the index based on 4 component indicators. Taken together, the component indicators, I'll tell you the component indicators, reflects the the deficiencies in calories as well as micronutrients. So you just have to know the rank. We are 94 and the score is 27.2. Serious severity hai. What is global hunger index? You can just see over here. Can you see this slide, everybody? सारी चीजें आपको याद नहीं रहनी रखनी है, but what do we take into account? Undernutrition, all right, which is inadequate food supply, under 5 mortality rate, and we are also taking inadequate food supply के बाद we are also taking wasting and stunting. All right, this is what is global hunger index. See, these are the three things that you are going to take. Proportion of population that is undernourished, prevalence of underweight in children, and mortality rate of under 5 children. Clear, everybody? And just divide it by 3. अंडरनरिशमेंट मतलब क्या होता है? जिनको इनएडिक्वेट फूड सप्लाई मिल रहा है. ऑलराइट, देन अंडर 5 मोर्टेलिटी एंड वेस्टिंग एंड स्टंटिंग, एंड रैंकिंग इज 94 and score is 27.2. Is it all right? Can we go to the next question? Thumbs up so far, so good. All right, next batao, what is the current HDI score of India? What is the current HDI scoring? HDI scoring India का कितना है? Human Development Index scoring. So see, Human Development Index India slips 2 spots from 129 to 131. We've again come back. HDI score has gone to how much? Has gone to 131, everybody. ठीक है, हम फिर से slip हो गए 231. Will you remember this? Topper again is Norway only. Norway, Switzerland. Pehle we were 129, but here now in this list we have fallen down to 131. All right, okay, the toppers are still this. PQLI में ranking नहीं होती है, but it's our score that we have 65. ठीक है, HDI में score is 0.64. Clear, everybody? Okay, then I had asked you one more point. What is the current gender development index of your country? See, gender development index, GDI. All right, this is also important. जो जेंडर डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स होता है ना गाइस, इट्स द सेम एज HDI. वी आर टेकिंग लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी, लिटरेसी रेट, एंड वी आर टेकिंग इनकम, बट वी आर टेकिंग इट सेपरेटली फॉर मैन एंड वुमेन. सो व्हाट इज द करंट GDI ऑफ आवर कंट्री? इट इज 0.820. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? द करंट GDI, 3 चीजें याद रखना: ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स, HDI current, and the value of GDI, which is 0.820. All right, okay. Also, what is the annual growth rate of your country now? Annual growth rate कितना है हमारे country का अभी? Annual growth rate, quickly tell me. It is 1.02%. So according to this, India belongs to the rapid growth phase. All right, okay. So these are some of the important questions that could come. So far what have we seen? Immunization pura 3.0 with all the schemes. Pneumosil vaccine we have seen. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Nidhi wala program we have seen. All right, then we have seen some of the nutrition changes, and we have seen some of the latest values. Now, when is World Cancer Day? Something which was released very important on this World Cancer Day was, which is now the most common cancer in the world, everybody. Then I will show you the questions related to that as well. Something which was released on World Cancer Day so far. Abhi, batao. Okay, so ending the poll now. So only 64% have marked it correctly. ठीक है, the answer is worldwide, and India नहीं confuse होना है. Most common cancer now has become breast cancer, everybody. ठीक है, most common cancer has now become breast cancer. Always remember, this can come in your NEET PG. क्यों आ सकता है? This is the theme for World Cancer Day, which was celebrated on 4th of February. Is it clear, everyone? Because these are nearby things, so you must remember. I can and I will. I will be telling you some of the important themes. Don't worry. I fight with cancer every day and I survive every day, and this is my victory on the disease. So World Cancer Day released some data on World Cancer Day. There's some data was released, which was 4th of February. Okay, estimated number of new cases in 2020 worldwide, both sexes, is now what, everybody? Which is the cancer which is most common, guys? It is breast cancer, everyone. All right. Okay, look over here. In both sexes, in males, what is the most common cancer? Lung, worldwide. But in India, what is the most common cancer, everybody? India में most common cancer क्या है? Can anyone tell me what is the most common cancer in India? Oral cancer. ठीक है? And what is the most common cancer among females in India? That's also breast cancer. But abhi the maximum cases are being reported from, क्या हमने बोला था, breast cancer worldwide. All right, so will you remember, this is one of the expected things. Now tell me something which has just been passed, a very important act or a bill. पहले वो bill था, अब वो पास हो गया है. क्या हो गया है? कौन चीज पास हुई है, guys? In the Rajya Sabha, most common in males in India is oral. ठीक है, ऐसे नोट. ठीक है, all right. So first, let's read about a few points. Okay, I will tell you all about this. MTP Act came in 19 worldwide. It is lung. ठीक है. Okay, essay note, if you have any doubt, just put in the question section. ठीक है. Now listen to me. Medical Termination Act बहुत important है. Again, we are expecting a question this time. ठीक है. Now the act came in 1971. There was an amendment bill which was proposed in 2020. Okay. 2020 में it was not passed, it was proposed. You understand the difference? No, it was on the table but it was not passed. You understand the difference? तब क्या बोला गया था? That MTP would now be allowed from 0 to 24 weeks. पहले how much was weeks were we allowing it? पहले how many weeks were we allowing it? 0 to 20. जिसमें से we were dividing it into two these things. Okay. I'm just starting with MTP. I'm explaining you, Arvind. All right. First, we used to have a low risk. Pehle, what was the low risk? 0 to 12 weeks, and 12 to 20 weeks was high risk. Now, how have we made the change? 0 to 20 weeks is low risk, everybody. 20 to 24 weeks is high risk. Agreed? ठीक है? पहले हम क्या कहते थे? Till 12 weeks, what were we saying? One doctor enough? Were we saying that or not? Yes. Until 20 weeks, we were saying 2 doctors. ठीक है? Now 0 to 20 weeks, low risk है, but 1 qualified doctor opinion, and high risk में 2 doctors opinion. Doctor is whom? Anybody and everybody? No. A registered medical practitioner who's had training in the Department of Obs and Gynae also. ठीक है? Now, previously, guys, please remember, MTP allowed only for married women. All right? Okay, no, you have to remember the latest one, Jay. It was just that, to make you understand, I was saying that. ठीक है, Jay? Just remember, MTP now is allowed till 24 weeks, and 0 to 20 weeks, low weeks होता है, low risk, फिर high risk होता है, and the number of doctors. ठीक है, everybody? All right. Previously, we were saying that MTP would be done for married women in cases of failure of contraception. Now it can be done for both, for any up to these weeks. Yes, you have to mark 24 weeks now. ठीक है? MTP can be done for both unmarried and married women. Medical board in all states is supposed to be formed. MTP required. Now, suppose somebody requires MTP beyond 24 weeks. Would you say we won't do, so that he or she goes and does something which can harm him and her and the baby? No. So if somebody is pressurizing, some things are there. So MTP required beyond 24 weeks of gestation. In cases of substantial fetal anomalies, who is going to take part? Medical board which will be set up in all states. This medical board will comprise of gynecologist, pediatrician, radiologist and also or sonologist, जो भी बोलो जो अल्ट्रासाउंड करते हैं, sonologist, members proposed by state government. ठीक है? This has allowed special category of women. Vulnerable women means anybody who's a rape or an incest survivor, all right, is eligible, like, you know, can get this thing done, can get MTP done under this act, all right. Disabilities and minors. Are you understanding, everybody? These are the changes that MTP has said, MTP Act now has said. The important thing which MCQ is expected, number one, till how many weeks, number two, low risk, high risk, and how many doctors. And एक line आ सकता है, can it be allowed beyond 24 weeks of gestation? Yes, but शर्ते on the condition that medical board in all states has to approve it. Are you understanding this? Sayed, 25th week में in case of substantial fetal anomalies, but in that case the medical board has to certify it. Now did you understand, guys? ठीक है? फिर there is a privacy clause also. पहले revealing name is punishable unless it has to be disclosed to a person authorized by law. ये clause सब में होता है. Don't worry that, or don't worry about it. Okay? So latest now, look over here, guys. Rajya Sabha passes. This was on the table. Now it has been passed. ठीक है? So now it has kind of become legal. Everybody has to follow this. First it was on the table. Now this is what has to be followed. Rajya Sabha passes MTP Amendment Bill 2020. Enhanced, देख लो यहाँ पे, enhanced the upper gestational limit from aborting pregnancies from 20 to 24 weeks for special categories of women. Look at number 2. No upper gestational, this I already discussed. Substantial fetal anomalies hai which has been diagnosed by medical board, the state medical board, then there is no upper gestational limit, even if it's diagnosed at 26 weeks, 28 weeks. Are you understanding, everybody? ठीक है? It will strengthen access to comprehensive abortion care under strict conditions without compromising service and quality. ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं? So that people, if they do not want the baby, all right, it doesn't threaten the life of the mother, all right. It is a step towards safety and well-being of women. It will ensure dignity, autonomy, confidentiality, and justice for women who need to terminate pregnancy. All right. Is it clear, everybody? Okay, now this has been passed by the Rajya Sabha. So this is what is you will get in your examination, and accordingly you will mark it. Okay? Now certain images, get ready to see certain images. Anybody has any doubt, put in the question section. So additional, we've seen cancers. Additional, we've seen this thing. ये सारी देख रहे हो तुम updates? Are you seeing this, everybody? Information technology updates, one of the most important topic, guys. IT updates. So I'll be showing you the image of all these things also, which is very important. ठीक है? पहला देखो, this is e-Rakt Kosh. We have now, everything is happening online. ठीक है? This is the logo of e-Rakt Kosh. ठीक है? e-Rakt Kosh क्या है? It is the blood availability, like it's an app, all right, which is going to tell us where are the nearby blood banks, when is a camp scheduled, okay, anybody who's made a donation, all those things. Important question on MTP. Once listen, guys, MTP में important question अभी भी यही है, till when can it be done? Substantial fetal anomalies में beyond 24 weeks also it can be done, बशर्ते medical board approve करेगा उसको, ठीक है, state medical board. Then low risk, high risk क्या है, how many doctors, those are the features of Medical Termination Act. All right, okay. All right, this is e-Rakt Kosh. Got it, everyone? This is the blood bank kind of app. All right, सारा कुछ details इसमें होता है. Look at the logo. This could come. Next, look over here. This is a diabetes M app. All right, here this logo is very important. Can you see this? This is e-diabetes. E-diabetes मतलब everything regarding diabetes is also here. Easily manage every aspect of diabetes. All our Ministry of Health initiatives. So this is the logo. क्या हुआ स्निग्धा? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, बेटा question section में address करो. All right. So this is our E diabetes. E रक्त कोश देख लिया तुमने, E diabetes देख लिया. All right. Let's see some of the other things. Yes. What is this? Have you seen this? Very important. M cessation program. Okay, M cessation program, which is quit tobacco for life. All right, quit mobile cessation. ठीक है? So this is quit tobacco for life. All right, an initiative, and this is the logo. Can you see this logo? Are you able to appreciate the logo? फिर से sorry guys, थोड़ा सा उधर हो गया, but can you see this logo? Choose life, not tobacco. This is very important. M cessation, you could get confused. Is it for tobacco or is it for something else? An initiative to help tobacco users quit tobacco. SMSs in English, Hindi are sent to tobacco users who registered. User can register through a missed call. They can all register through the National Health Portal. So again, to register also you need that motivation. Okay, I should get registered. Okay, so this is M cessation program for tobacco. फिर I've shown you this before. Do you remember this IT technology? Very important. eSanjeevani OPD. This is what? This was launched in November 2019, and it is to be implemented at so many health and wellness centers in conjunction with identified medical college hospitals. Okay, here Sanjeevani OPD is बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Once you get registered, Smita, messages will be sent, other information would be sent. Okay, all those things. Okay, it's just first somebody has to get registered. That is very important. Okay, all right, Smita. eSanjeevani OPD is टेली कंसल्टेशन ऑनलाइन. ओके, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? टेली कंसल्टेशन ऑनलाइन. एवरी डे द ओपीडी इज हैपनिंग, आई थिंक फ्रॉम 9 to 12 PM तक. डॉक्टर्स आर सिटिंग ऑनलाइन एंड यू आर डूइंग दिस. वेरी गुड अर्शिया. दैट इज व्हाट इज द टाइमिंग अर्शिया? कुछ टाइमिंग है? 9 to 12, 9 to 1, something that you are asked to sit online? Or if there is, then do share it. Okay, okay, 9 to 4. All right, so they have to sit online 9 to 4 for the online teleconsultation service. It's the same as telemedicine. Telemedicine is adopted by private hospitals also. No, Apollo kar raha hai telemedicine, but eSanjeevani OPD is something which is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Initiative. Got it, Jay? Another thing, guys, we have so many healthcare facilities. How do we ensure the quality? We need to take the feedback from the patients. So for that also we've made an app. What is the name of that app? Anybody remembers? जिसमें आप फीडबैक ले रहे हो, we've learned it in one of the very good Ambika. This is Mera Aspatal, My Hospital initiative. This is also launched by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. All right, here we are taking what? All the feedbacks from patients are upgraded on this. Okay, we take feedbacks, so this helps us to ensure quality. Tell me the name of a institution, nahi bolungi, an organization which ensures quality. Everybody, I've shown you the image also in maternal bol rahi hu. When we do that image session, something which addresses the grievances of the patient, something which is like a samiti. Anybody? क्या नाम था उसका? जो वेरी गुड अंबिका, रोगी कल्याण समिति. दैट इज, ये तो ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म हो गया ना, मेरा अस्पताल. सिमिलरली यू हैव अ रोगी कल्याण समिति. यू रिमेंबर द इमेज? देयर आर पीपल सिटिंग एंड देयर आर रेज गोइंग लाइक दिस. आई शो यू दोस सिंस वी आर गोइंग ऑन हैविंग इमेज बेस्ड सेशंस. सो दैट इज रोगी कल्याण समिति, व्हिच इज एन यस एंटीबॉडी टाइप पिक्चर. वेरी गुड अंबिका. ठीक है, ये तो मैं आगे से यही बताऊंगी, एंटीबॉडी टाइप पिक्चर. ठीक है, I'll show you that also. Okay, so that is an organization which is ensuring quality. But anybody else who's ensuring quality online is Mera Aspatal. फिर एक ये देखो guys, this is MSBM ऐप, ठीक है, स्वच्छ भारत मिशन के लिए भी एक ऐप है. इसमें क्या होता है ना, सपोज यू वेंट टू सम सुलभ शौचालय, ऑलराइट, यू सी इट्स वेरी डर्टी and it's not maintained. You know what you can do? You can download this app, take the picture immediately, you can upload the picture, put the details and send it. This is the Swachh Bharat Mission app. M से हमेशा याद रखना, मोबाइल सब कुछ आजकल इस छोटी सी चीज में अवेलेबल है. इज इट और नॉट? आरंट यू रीडिंग योर लेक्चर्स ऑन द फोन्स? Everybody, isn't it? How many of you do you see these lectures on laptops or do you see them on phones? किस में देखते हो आप सब? जस्ट आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी, फोन पे देखते हो? बोथ. yes, मोबाइल पे आप सपोज this also I find it so small to read. Tab is better or a laptop is better, but mostly we all are looking at things in a phone. So everything is now available here on phones. Clear, guys? Will you remember this? Okay. One important initiative I forgot to tell you, launched in 2021, guys. Very important. Read this. There has been a merger of schemes. जितने स्कीम्स थे ना, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ विमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट, दे हैव बीन मर्ज्ड अंडर 3 अम्ब्रेला स्कीम्स. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस, ठीक है? नंबर 1, देयर नाउ जो पोषण अभियान था, आंगनवाड़ी था, all of them have, that was an initiative of Ministry of Women and Child Development. Agreed everybody? ICDS है ना, and पोषण अभियान, malnutrition free India, that is also तुम्हारा women of child development. Now they have been brought under Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0. So if somebody asks you what is Saksham program, Saksham is Anganwadi, that means ICDS, Poshan Abhiyan, National Creche Scheme and Scheme for Adolescent Girls, all have been brought. देखो creche scheme ये बोलता है, yes, I will discuss Sambal also, don't worry Maleshwar. creche में ये बोलते हैं ना कि जैसे तुम्हारा Factories Act है, उसमें क्या था, if there are women workers who are like 30 at least, we need to have a creche, ठीक है? Now there are certain creche scheme में they say that if any place has women workers 50 at least, we must have a creche for them, ठीक है? Then this is Mission Vatsalya. Okay, Vatsalya is Child Protection and Welfare Services. This is also run by ICDS. This has now been brought. This is 2021 March update. So 2 latest ones I've told you, one in the beginning of the class and one in the middle. This is Mission Vatsalya. So if you get a question like the schemes of which ministry have been classified under common umbrellas, that is Ministry of Women and Child Development. Another one, Mission Shakti. Please remember, Shakti तो movie था ना, Shakti जिसमें करिश्मा कपूर थी. You remember that movie? Very old movie, Shahrukh Khan and Karishma. So that was Shakti. There again, she wanted to escape from that place where her husband hometown जो था, where the husband Sanjay Kapoor, he got killed, right? So that she was thinking about her protection and her empowerment. All right? Yes, Nana Patekar wali movie. I'll repeat it again, Shikil. See. Let's have a look at this again. Spend 1 good minute for this. This is important. Okay? 2021 में whatever individual initiatives were going on under Ministry of Women and Child Development have been brought under 3 common umbrellas. Okay? The first one is Saksham. Saksham में आया है Anganwadi, Poshan Abhiyan, Scheme for Adolescent Girls, which is Menstrual Hygiene Scheme, and National Creche Scheme. All right. Mission Vatsalya is Child Protection and Welfare Services. उसके बाद आता है तुम्हारा Women Empowerment and Protection, Mission Shakti, जिसमें 2 things है, Sambal and Samarthya. Sambal is the one that you talk about, Ujjwala. All right. पुलिस, महिला पुलिस वॉलंटियर होनी चाहिए, विमेन्स हेल्पलाइन होना चाहिए. दिस इज संबल. एंड समर्थ्या इज बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, ऑल दोस थिंग. प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना, दीज आर समर्थ्या. वी ऑल रिमेंबर आई टॉट यू प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना इज अंडर ICDS. मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था ना, देयर इज वन मैटरनल हेल्थ इनिशिएटिव व्हिच इज अंडर ICDS, प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना. सो दैट इज फॉर लाइक women empowerment. So that has been brought under Samarthya, जो कि मिशन शक्ति हो गई है. Clear? I will share these slides also so that you can read them again. But this is important, guys. Just like प्रधानमंत्री, ये important था 2021 का स्वास्थ्य सुरक्षा निधि. Similarly, 2021 का this scheme is very important. Saksham, Vatsalya and Mission Shakti. ठीक है? All this we have brought all the initiatives of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare together under one scheme. Are you clear? Can I go ahead, everybody? आगे बढ़े, ठीक है? All right. Now आगे हम क्या देखेंगे? Some of the other important indicators पहले देख लेते हैं before we go to the other schemes. Now this is the SRS latest updates. Please remember this. All right. Yes, crash under, अगर national crash scheme बोलेगा ना, ऐसे note, then go for the first one, ठीक है? If generally crash has also been brought under the Shakti वाला, ठीक है? These are the latest features. Can you see this, everybody? You will only mark according to your SRS data, ठीक है? 2020 SRS क्या है? What is SRS? Sample Registration System surveys. This provides us data every 6 monthly. True or false? If I say SRS provides us data every 6 monthly, is it true or is it false, guys? Data मुझे हर 6 month में दे रहा है. Is it true or is it false? अरे ध्यान से सुनो. I am asking you, SRS provides data every 6 monthly. No, dear students. SRS doesn't provide us data every 6 monthly. Data comes annually only. Okay, but SRS is conducted every 6th monthly. It's a dual record system which is being conducted every 6 monthly, but data annual estimates आपको every year मिलते हैं. Is it clear? Thumbs up, everyone understood this? So CBR currently 20 births per 1,000 mid-year population बोलो. Crude death rate 6.2 deaths per 1,000 mid-year population. Mid-year population मतलब 1st of July. All right. Infant mortality rate 32 per 1,000 live births. Stillbirth rate. Pay very good attention to the denominator. Did you pay attention to the denominator, guys? Many children have this doubt. Stillbirth rate is per 1,000 total births. All right, not live births, beta, per 1,000 total births. So it is 4 per 1,000 total births, guys. Okay, neonatal mortality rate is 23 per 1,000 live births. Under 5 mortality rate is 36. Okay, so I didn't write one. Tell me what will be the perinatal mortality rate? कितना होगा perinatal mortality rate? Can you guess from here? What is perinatal mortality rate? Late fetal death plus early neonatal death. So what is the what is the this thing? Anybody? How much will it be? Yes, it is. Perinatal mortality rate is now 22 per 1,000 live births. All right. Under 5 mortality rate is 36 per 1,000 live births. सबसे important maternal mortality ratio is 113 per 1 lakh live births. Now, the birth rate, just know the highest and lowest for these things. Okay. Bihar, and lowest is in Andaman Nicobar. Death rate highest is in Chhattisgarh, lowest is in Delhi. IMR highest is in Madhya Pradesh, lowest is in Nagaland. Okay, देखो ये question कभी पूछते नहीं है वो लोग, but at least these are very general things. So birth rate highest, MMR is more in Madhya Pradesh. Infant mortality rate सबसे ज़्यादा है. Death rate देखो lowest in Delhi है. All right, lowest in Delhi hai, which is quite surprising, but it's lowest in Delhi. Okay, everybody. Now, there are certain things that I want to tell you about infant mortality rate. Okay. The most common causes according to the latest data. Just for your knowledge, infant mortality rate is an indicator of health status of community, level of people, effectiveness of MCH services, socio-economic development of the country. Now, everybody, look at the most common causes of IMR. This is the latest The percentages also, if you don't remember the percentage, it's okay. But low birth weight, yes, it's 32 nair. All right. Okay, that's what we wrote, right? We wrote something else. We wrote 32, right, over here. ठीक है, 32 per 1,000 live births. ठीक है, some of the most important causes for no, this over here is the UN projection for India. उसने project किया था that it will be 29.8. Are you understanding? But IMR India का कितना है? 32. Good observation. All right, it is this much. All right, causes में देख लो, low birth weight, respiratory ailments, congenital anomalies, diarrhea, birth-related injuries, cord infections, and unclassified. ठीक है? Other than this, neonatal causes, most important is low birth weight and prematurity. But if somebody asks you after 28 days, what is the most common cause of infant mortality? It is diarrheal diseases more than respiratory. This is according to the latest data, so don't forget it. Are you clear, everyone? Okay, will you remember this point also? ठीक है? Also, under 5 mortality के most important causes देख लो. Single best indicator for social development and well-being है. Reflects income, education, healthcare, nutrition. Preterm and prematurity 35.5, intrapartum related complications 15, then rest of the things are there. All right, okay, the most important cause याद रखना है. Maternal mortality के लिए most important direct cause is hemorrhage, and indirect cause everybody is anemia. That is the same. Now, how many of you heard about NFHS 5? कितनों ने सुना था NFHS 5 के बारे में? Yes, NFHS 5. Do you think the data is available for NFHS 5 or not? Now, look over here. NFHS 5, very important. The first round, the first phase of data of NFHS 5. If anybody asks you, NFHS 5 ka kaun sa round, I mean, which is it? It is the 5th NFHS that is going on. Year of this is 2019-20. The first phase data has been released, okay, but you don't need to worry about the first phase because the second phase data was delayed. So overall the data is expected to be available till May 2021. So for NEET PG, what has been included in NFHS is important. For FMG, the data will also become important. Are you understanding, guys, the difference? Dekho, I'll show you a few salient features of NFHS. You all know this is conducted by International Institute of Population Sciences, Mumbai, all right, under the stewardship of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. This slide is very, very, very important for NEET PG. Please remember this. Ki NFHS 5 mein, what are the additional things we have taken? This could definitely be asked, isn't it? So we are getting a questionnaire filled plus a clinical, anthropometric and biochemical profiling we do. CAB CAB is done using a dried blood spot, blood sampling for malaria, HbA1c के लिए भी कर रहे हैं. Vitamin D, we are also taking waist hip circumference ratio. This is important. Age more than 15 years has been included under the NCD surveillance, guys. Is it clear? Okay, 130 indicators total were included. All right, 30 SDG related health indicators. Important ye hai. See, this is how questions would be asked to you, like what is new under NFHS 5, since we are expecting a change in pattern. So little detail mein wo aapse pooch sakte hain that we have taken new topics. This is very important, students. Preschool education के बारे में, disability के बारे में, access to a toilet facility, death registration पहले SRS में ही होता था, all right, bathing practices during menstruation, methods and reasons for abortion, all right. In 2019, for the first time, NFHS 5 has sought details on percentage of women and men who have ever used the internet. District level data will also be provided for majority of indicators. So what are the things that you should know under NFHS 5? everybody. It's being done by International Institute of Population Sciences. All right, the data will be provided for 1920. Phase 1 complete ho chuka hai. We always, while conducting the round, we get a questionnaire filled, and we also take clinical anthropometric and biochemical profiling. For this, we are doing a biochemical profiling for HbA1c and vitamin D also. NCD surveillance, age more than 15 years included, not 30 years. All right. Then we have total 130 indicators that we have collected. This is very important. And these are the new things that we have taken data about. Clear now, essay note? Everybody, did you understand this concept? Okay, this is very, very important. Now we have some time only left. So let us look at some of the initiatives that we have to revise. Okay. All right. So here you must know some of the initiatives. एक मैंने आपको अभी कुछ पिछले दिन भी पढ़ाया था, वयोश्री योजना for safeguarding the health of elderly population. See, this is Vayoshree Yojana, a highly expected MCQ this time. क्यों कब आया है देखो, 11th December 2019. It's not been very long. All right. So Vayoshree Yojana is Rashtriya Vayoshree Yojana is assistive living devices are given to senior citizens. Okay. It is a scheme for providing physical aids and assisted living devices for senior citizens who are aged above 60 years belonging to BPL category. This is under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. All right, clear? We are giving things for assisted living. जैसे ये stick provide कर दिया. All right, hearing aids दे दिए. Are you understanding? But above 60 years, BPL category and Ministry of Social, below poverty line, Ministry of Social Justice and Environment. ठीक है? फिर एक ये देख लो, दक्षता training is something which is not very old. So Dakshata training provides training particularly for antenatal, intrapartum or postnatal care. This particular provides training for intrapartum care, everybody. All right, during delivery. Most important care which is provided during delivery is being looked for this. Then certain environmental sanitation schemes. Please remember all these three: Kaya Kalp, Swachh Bharat and Nirmal Gram. All right, Kaya Kalp, you've seen. What was Kaya Kalp? Environmental sanitation, that image of a tree for environment, you remember? So for sanitation and cleanliness in public hospitals, jo tree ka image tha. Swachh Bharat, we've already done. What is the image of Swachh Bharat? Specs, Gandhiji ka chashma. And also there is one Nirmal Gram, theek hai? Nirmal Gram is for sanitation and cleanliness with safe water supply in villages. All right. Okay. So does PHC get Kaya Kalp award? Anybody, would you like to answer, Aditya? PHC ko Kaya Kalp award milta hai? Yes or no, guys? Anyone? No. Again, all of you have got confused over here. PHC is getting Kaya Kalp award. All right. Okay, Lakshya mein PHCs are not a part. Okay, is it clear? ठीक है. Next, look at this, guys. I'm just summing up some of the schemes for you. You all know Mission Indradhanush and Abhiyan Indradhanush. ठीक है. These are the schemes that you have to remember. Abhiyan is for ESI color, bed sheets ka color which is changed according to color of the rainbow, where you have a hospital bed and the photograph of the rainbow. ठीक है. Next, just look over here. These three, you remember, Ujjavala, Ujjwala and Ujala. Ujjavala is now under what scheme? I just told you, Ministry of Women and Child Development mein. It has been brought under which scheme? That is the latest change. Batao, it has been brought under which scheme? Look for your revision again. This has been brought under Sambal. ठीक है, Sambal, Mission Shakti. ठीक है, here we have the Ujjavala scheme now. This is expected. Okay, question might come. All right, so where were we? Yes, so Ujjavala is women trafficking, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana is by Petroleum Ministry. LPG gas cylinders to below poverty line people. National Ujjala distribution scheme is every house should have lighting provided by LED bulbs. Clear, guys? These are some of the schemes that you must remember. Then we have seen Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. All right, we've done this a lot of times. You remember the logo, logos हम करते रहेंगे, image based में भी beautiful shades of green ऐसे करके है ना logo. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, which is there, where we are upgrading our existing sub centers to health and wellness centers. 1.5 lakh health and wellness centers established. Also, we have a national health protection scheme or Modi Care, and these are the things that are being offered under this. 50 crore beneficiaries, 10 crore families, health insurance up to 5 lakh per family per year. ध्यान से देख लो, no limit to age, gender, type of disease, members in the family. So all this could form part of MCQ, that Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. All are true except, so it's not just only young children will get or older people will get or only males will get or only females will get या सिर्फ some particular type of disease, ऐसा नहीं है. Everybody and anybody is eligible for this Ayushman Bharat scheme. ठीक है. उसके बाद next you saw, you remember this Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana. This is also very important. ठीक है. This was for opening AIIMS like institutions and upgrading of existing AIIMS like institutions also. ठीक है. What was the logo of किसका था इसमें, किस चीज का लोगो बना हुआ था? Anybody? किस चीज का लोगो बना हुआ था? AIIMS का लोगो था. इमेज हम लोग करेंगे इमेज बेस्ड सेशंस में. Two very important schemes, Amrit and Amrut. What was Amrit scheme, guys? Amrit क्या था? Affordable medicines. All these are Ministry of Health and Family Welfare only. Affordable medicines and relevant and reliable implants for treatment. Okay, to affordable, इसका full form आ सकता है. ठीक है. So the full form is affordable medicines and reliable implants for treatment to reduce the expenditure incurred by patients on treatment of cancer and heart diseases. Government owned HLL Life Care Limited is deputed to establish and run Amrit chair of pharmacies across the country. ठीक है. There is an Amrit chair which is again providing medicines and reliable implants for treatment दे रहा है. But Jan Aushadhi Yojana क्या था? Medicines are being provided at a subsidized rate. And E-Aushadhi क्या था? Online stocks of medicines are maintained. That is E-Aushadhi. All right. Just like which one? Even. All right, everybody. And Amrut क्या है? Amrut is Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. ठीक है. This is for safe water supply and sanitation. Again, Ministry of Urban Development, but under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare only it was launched. Water supply, sewage facilities, creating, upgrading green spaces, storm water drains करो, pedestrian, non-motorized and public transport facilities were a part of this. Amrit, देखो अमृत का मतलब जल होता है ना, but here it's opposite. Amrit है हमारे लिए because it's providing us with affordable medicines for treatment, okay, of particular NCDs. Are you clear, everybody? Amrut, guys, is Atal Mission for Safe Water and Rejuvenation. Clear? ठीक है. Then there is some very important initiative. This we've already discussed. Poshan Abhiyan, you must remember, malnutrition free India till 2022, where we are decreasing low birth weight, underweight and low birth weight, underweight by 2% point every year, anemia by 3% point, and stunting, yes, 2% point. Anemia Mukh Bharat, we've seen a lot of times, everybody. One thing I wanted to show you, देखो, Haryana tops Anemia Mukh Bharat Index 2020. Please remember this. Okay, Haryana has topped Anemia Mukh Bharat Index 2020. You never know, कभी किसी के मन में आया और तुम्हें ये दे दिए तो ठीक है. Other than this, there is one thing that you must know. Eat Right India. Yes, Anemia Mukh Bharat में ही Ambika, but Anemia Mukh Bharat again is a part of Poshan Abhiyan, no? All right, that is why Poshan Abhiyan ka logo was there. Eat Right India is an initiative by FSSAI, Food Safety Standards Authority India. This is the logo of Eat Right India. Eat Right India movement is very, very important. ठीक है. इसमें हम लोग क्या कह रहे हैं, बैलेंस डाइट खाओ, डाइट डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, एलिमिनेट टॉक्सिक इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रांस फैट, reduce consumption of fats and all that, and eat fortified staples to address micronutrient deficiencies. Clear guys? Will you remember these points? Okay, now before we finish, एक लाइन में मैंने आपके लिए maternal health initiatives भी sum up किया है, ठीक है? Just go through it with me once. All right. The latest one was Suman 2019 launched Surakshit Matritva Ashvasan, an initiative to prevent maternal and newborn deaths. Last में I'll show you the rabies guideline also once. ठीक है? A few, one or two things have been left, guys, which I couldn't add. There was little shortage of time for me, but I will add those things and share the PDF in the various platforms also. Okay? छोटी छोटी 2-3 बातें रह गई हैं, वो मैं ऐड करके आपको शेयर कर दूंगी, ठीक है? बाय दिस वीक इज एंडिंग, सॉरी, नेक्स्ट वीक, ठीक है? पूरा पीडीएफ कंपाइल करके अभी यू कैन स्टिल डाउनलोड इट फ्रॉम अनअकैडमी, बट आई विल ऐड अ फ्यू पॉइंट्स हियर एंड देयर एंड देन आई विल शेयर द पीडीएफ आल्सो. ऑलराइट, ओके. कलर for this, okay, बताती हूँ. Suman is Surakshit Matritva Ashvasan, which is 2019. I will also tell you, Shipra, today about your home-based young child care. ठीक है? तुम्हें जानना था ना? So I will just tell you right now. All right? Okay. Okay, chalo. So this is free ANC delivery and postnatal care. Women up to 6 months delivery have been included, and this is for treatment of sick newborns also. All right. Okay, so this is very, very important over here. Free ANC delivery, postnatal care, women up to 6 months, and free treatment of sick newborns. Then another one that you must know, 5x5 matrix, RMNCH plus A का है. I mean this question, जैसे 6x6x6 strategy is for what? 6x6x6 strategy is for anemia Mukh Bharat. 5x5 matrices ऐसे आ सकता है आपको. 5x5 matrices RMNCH plus A. All right, so you can just go through this later also. What all has been added for all these components are mentioned here. Yes, in Suman program, no, everything is there. It has now become a uniform program जो पूरा antenatal period, during delivery and postnatal को cover करता है. Clear? All right, very important is this one. How many of you are aware of lactation management centers? There are 3 types. This is important, guys. Breast milk banks in India are known as comprehensive lactation management centers and lactation management units, depending on the level of health facilities where these units are established. Okay, recently India's first milk bank was started in Mumbai. It's an age-old concept, but now it has been gaining importance. So you have to look over here. ठीक है? This is comprehensive lactation management centers. ये आ सकता है बच्चे. This is very, very, very important. ठीक है? Medical colleges with NICU and district hospitals में you have comprehensive lactation management centers. ये क्या होता है? It is a center at a health facility for purpose of providing comprehensive lactation support and management. Facilities for collection, screening, processing, storage, and dispensing of donated human milk for babies without access to their own mother's milk and expression, and storage of mother's own breast milk for consumption of our baby is available in comprehensive lactation management centers. ठीक है? It is like blood bank बोल रहे हो, breast milk banks. Are you understanding? So anybody can ask you, comprehensive lactation management centers क्या district hospital में हो सकते हैं? That is your MCQ. No, they can. They can be there in district hospitals also, but then they have to be highly equipped. All right. But lactation management centers, next वाला देखो, LMC. I'll just show you. All right, one second. Lactation Management Center is a center established in health facility for providing lactation support to all mothers. Okay, storage and dispensing of mother's own breast milk for consumption by her baby. Are we storing others' milk over here, guys? जैसे आपने ये पढ़ा ना, here comprehensive lactation management center में, here you are having donated human milk. सफदरजंग में बहुत बड़ा सा comprehensive lactation management center hai. Are you understanding? Here you have breast milk banks, but that's not being exactly done in a lactational management center. Here you can store and dispense mother's own breast milk. And lactation support unit is a center established in sub-district hospital, community health centers, primary health centers for the purpose of promoting and providing lactation support. Are you understanding? We are not storing any milk. तो अगर आपसे कोई पूछे breast milk banks everybody are comprehensive lactation management centers, clear, which are in medical colleges predominantly and some district hospitals. But lactation management centers where you can store the mother's breast milk also, and lactation support unit is at PHCs also. Any delivery unit should have this. Yes, सारे concept was also promoted under Ma program. Ma program क्या था? Mother's absolute affection to promote breastfeeding. ठीक है? This was also promoted under the Ma program. This is also an initiative by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Okay, promotion of breast blood banks. Other than this, आपने क्या जानना है? लक्ष्य, we already know this. This was launched in 2017. We've discussed it. Just see the logo. जब हम maternal initiatives अलग से देखेंगे in images, we'll do this again. And this is 9th of every month free antenatal care, प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षित मातृत्व अभियान. All right, here high risk category को red card दे देते हैं, green को low risk, and blue card is for diseases present like PIH and all those things. Clear everybody? Now there is one more thing which was INAP. Okay, Indian Newborn Action Plan, very important. We want to end preventable newborn deaths to achieve single digit NMR by 2030. Single digit में लाना है, and end preventable stillbirths to achieve single digit में, but right now it's already there, 4 per 1,000 births. You remember that, okay? But NMR को भी हमें single digit में लाना है. Plus we all know Mission Parivar Vikas to promote use of contraception, family planning, where we have introduced नई पहल सास बहू सम्मेलन सारथी. सारथी बहुत important है, mobile van for contraceptives. Is it clear, everybody? Then one thing that some of you wanted to know for quite some time now was home-based care for young child. How many of you have heard about this home-based care? See, you all know home-based newborn care. सबको पता है ना? Home-based newborn care में कितने visits थे? Home-based newborn care, if I ask you, in home delivery, how many visits? Home delivery 7, 1, 3, 7, 14, 21, 28 and 42. In hospital based delivery, first वाला हटा दो तो 6 हो गया, ठीक है, and lower segment C section में 5 हो गया. Similarly, guys, that these deliveries are maximum up to 42 days. Home based newborn care. One second, okay. So home-based infant young care for young child is an extension of the home-based newborn care only. Asha is only going to make the visit. She will provide home visits on 3rd month, 6th month, 9th month, 12th month and 15th month. Okay, to promote early initiation of breastfeeding, exclusive breastfeeding till 6 months, continued breastfeeding till 2nd year of life, along with age-appropriate immunization and early childhood development. The quarterly home visits for low birth weight, then I had also told you that all those babies who are low birth weight and who are discharged from special newborn care corners, the ASHA pays them visit every quarterly, also every 3 months. They will be taken up under this only. Is it clear? All right. And the rest of the things will continue, but आशा की जो visit है वो 3rd, 6th, 9th, 12th and 15 month में होती है under home based care. Now see, Ashas will be provided additional incentive of rupees 250 for completion of 5 home visits under home based young child for each young child. ठीक है, ₹50 per visit मिलेगा. कैसे हो गया देखो, 3rd 1 2 3 4 5 है, हर विजिट में उसको 50 रुपीज मिलेंगे. सो अदर देन व्हाट शी वाज मेकिंग up to 42 days, she is now getting additional ₹50 per visits under home based young child care. Clear, Shipra? Did you understand now? Everybody, did you understand? Okay, so this is an important question which can come in your entrance examinations also. Now guys, इस PPT में ना मैंने आपके लिए कोविड वैक्सीन्स का भी अपडेट डाल दिया है, which we had discussed yesterday. So if you download the file, you will get information about COVID-19 also. Since we have 5 minutes, let's just quickly revise once rabies का guideline. ठीक है? So this is the rabies guideline. We've discussed them in rabies also. So I will add in this PDF. I couldn't add, guys. I didn't have a little time, was less, but I will add leprosy का uniform treatment, malaria का treatment. I've taught you that malaria treatment also we've discussed so many times. We've discussed about HIV का latest treatment है ना, post exposure and prevention of mother to child, वो and TB. So the treatments of the program, I will try to add them and then I will give you the PDF by next week. ठीक है? The rabies एक बार मेरे साथ देख लो. There are updated Thai Red Cross regimen. This is 0, 3, 7 and 28 days. All right, now this is the updated regimen that you must know, everybody. Okay, yes, what happened? Hanging? Now is it clear? All right, okay. So ये क्या है तुम्हारा, the one which is being currently given under our program. ठीक है, 0, 3, 7, 28 क्या है guys? 4 visits लेना है. This was what visits? 2, 2, 2, 0 and 2. You remember the intradermal schedule which is given under our program? So 2 doses per visit, 0.1 ml intradermally. That is known as updated Thai Red Cross regimen. Hi Darshini. फिर आपका SN regimen है जो कि intramuscular है, which you all know, 5 visits, 1 dose per visit, 0.5 ml, 0, 3, 7, 14, 28 days. Deltoid is given for adults and anterolateral thigh for children. All right, but updated Thai Red Cross regimen में it's given both the shoulders. This is a new thing that you must know. WHO has proposed a IPC schedule, everybody, which says you only need to give the vaccines on 0, 3 and 7 days. Okay, 1 dose per visit, 0.1 ml intradermally, but we've not adopted it. So if anybody asks you any other schedule that you know other than updated or intradermal, intramuscular, IPC, all right, this is all post exposure. ठीक है डॉक्टर गुड, ये post exposure है. ठीक है, we are using the intradermal updated Thai Cross regimen. All right, this is being used according to our National Rabies Control Program. ठीक है everybody, but IPC schedule is something which WHO has said 0, 3, 7 only on 3 days, intradermally only, but we've not adopted it. Okay, then re-exposure अगर को किसी को होता है, give a proper wound care. You do not need to rabies immunoglobulin, once given human immunoglobulin, you do not need to repeat it. Re-exposure में you have 2 options. You can give it one site intradermal vaccine 0 and 3 day. Day 0 and 3 आप दे इसको intradermal भी सकते हो, intramuscular भी दे सकते हो. All right everybody, all right. ठीक है, in case of documented proof of complete immunization, मान लो the person was just bitten 2 months back, okay, in pre-exposure prophylaxis, all right, or previous exposure, matlab within last 3 months, then only wound washing is required. Are you clear? Whether somebody has had a pre-exposure prophylaxis, whether somebody has had post-exposure only, this is a re-exposure case, you just need to only do wound washing. लेस देन 3 मंथ में आपको कुछ नहीं करना. उसके बाद कभी भी होगा तो 0 and 3 days you can give both intradermal and IM, but you do not need to repeat your immunoglobulin. Everybody, is it clear? Then pre-exposure में क्या होता है? You can again give this intramuscular dose on 0, 7 and either 21 or 28 days intramuscular. Option 2 क्या है? 0.1 ml. Same days same है guys. जैसे re-exposure में 0 and 3rd day है ना, intramuscular, intradermal, यहाँ पे भी it is 0, 7, 21 or 28 days. Clear? Also in this cases you need to check for neutralizing antibodies titer, okay, every 6 months. Booster which is the 21 day पे या 28 day पे will only be given if the neutralizing antibody is less than 0.5 international unit per ml. देखो प्री एक्सपोजर में 0 and 7 days तो है ही है, ठीक है. 20 and a booster is given at 21 and 28 days, but booster is only given after, you know, you have to check neutralizing antibodies. If it is less, you will give the boosters, ठीक है. Rabies immunoglobulin once given will not be repeated, okay. All right, if the doses are missed, okay, you can like suppose 0, 7 तुम कहना चाह रहे हो कि 0 day में तो दे दिया, 7 day में नहीं दिया, then you don't need to ever start the whole schedule again. Please, whatever dose has been missed, you can give it. All right, so these were some of the things that we've discussed for today, guys. I hope you've been able to yes, Ashita, I hope you got your answer. We've already discussed this, है ना? MTP amendment, we discussed it, and I have also told you about. ये क्या हो गया? Yes, we've discussed this, and I've also told you about married and unmarried women सब. अब इस PDF में ना मैं आपको कुछ चीजें ऐड करूंगी everybody, and then I am going to share this PDF. All right, like I will add leprosy treatment, malaria treatment, TB treatment, and then I'll share with you. All right, ठीक है. Also guys, at 3 o'clock today we have the live quiz part 4, ठीक है. So just join in for the live quiz part 4, which is that tetanus में यही है ना, ऐसे नोट कि हम TD वैक्सीन यूज करते हैं अब. It's not the tetanus toxoid. I will take a class on tetanus very soon, maybe next week, in infectious diseases, और इसका प्रोटोकॉल भी मैं आपको पढ़ा दूंगी. रेबीज सबको समझ आ गया ना, ठीक है. So today do join at live quiz at 3 p.m. and you can study this PDF also. सारे COVID-19 vaccines are at the end of the PDF. All right. Acha, 1 second. I didn't tell you the World Health Day theme. I have it with me. 1 second. I think I forgot to tell you. Or yes, what is the World Health Day theme, guys? Right now, quickly tell me. I'll tell you. We don't have time. Build a fairer, healthier world. All right. This is the World Health Day theme for 2021. Build a fairer, healthier world. World TB Day was clock is ticking. All right, everybody. ठीक है, this please remember. So I will see you again at 3 p.m. If you have any questions, you can ask me then for the live quiz. Do join in, ठीक है. All right, bye bye, take care.